Okay, let's talk about this, what you're in for. It sounds scary, right? But here's the thing, we're at the point where we're about to hit the Facebook ad campaigns. There's 3 versions I'm going to give you access to. I would suggest starting with a beginner campaign, then going to intermediate, then advanced after that, depending on how well the product's doing and how well you're doing, really. You're in for a roller coaster, okay? It's going to be an emotional, if I could spell it right, you can tell I'm a horrible spell checker. It's going to be an emotional roller coaster for you. It's going to look like this. You're going to have days where you're up at the top and you feel like, yee, this is fun. And then you get to the bottom, you're like, holy crap, I don't know what I'm doing. Well, this is scary. Some days will be up and you're going to feel invincible. Like, hey, that advanced campaign technique that I was kind of putting off the big boy, I think I'm going to try that today because I've been kicking butt so far, so let's go for it. And what's the worst that can happen? I lose a little bit of money, but I'm so good at this that it's not going to matter. That's how you're literally going to feel. I know because I do that myself. Some days will be down, and you'll feel like quitting. You're going to feel like throwing your monitor. I have a desktop. You're going to throw your monitor through the window, or feel like doing it, or punching a hole in it, or tossing your laptop, or whatever you do. Some days are going to be down. Okay? Here's the thing though. You have to accept that. It's a roller coaster. Know that sometimes you're going to be up, sometimes you're going to be down. Okay? It's easier to deal with that way when you know this. Okay? So remember, 99% of success is between your ears. I'll take that a step further. Your reality is how you perceive it. So if you perceive yourself as having a bad day, you're having a bad day. If you perceive yourself as having a good day, you're having a good day. So why the heck am I telling you this? Well, I want you to be prepared for what you're about to do because you're going to go through these emotions. And what to do when you're down, reach out to others. Okay? Go to the group, the Facebook group, and reach out and say, man, anybody else having a crappy day? You'll get support. You'll get help. You get people saying, yeah, my stuff's down too. I think I'm just going to turn it off for the day. Or whatever. You'll get people saying, hang in there, bud. You're going to be okay. What to do when you're up? Enjoy it. Literally. You know how they say you got to stop and smell the roses? Well, we're on this journey where we're so laser focused with blinders on almost to success that we don't enjoy the ride. Like, let me go back to this. This ride looks awesome. It looks fun. It looks like I want to ride this over and over and over and over again. I don't know which one this is. I just pulled it off Google Images, but man, I want to go on this roller coaster. Oh, down here. Scream. That's not Universal Studios, is it? It might be. I don't know where it is, but I love roller coasters. I think they're great. So when you're up at the top, enjoy it. You know, reward yourself. Say, I had a great day. I'm going to blank. I'm going to take tomorrow off. I'm going to go buy something for my wife or kids or whatever. Go spend some time with them. I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to bask in this glory because I know that sooner or later I'm going to be down. Okay? Just know it, accept it, be prepared, and you'll be far better off. Make sense? Good stuff.